All right, welcome back. We are here still sorting these out. We just got back from the flea market and we bought these books. I estimated at about 300, 350. Had to dispose of some that were damaged, and we're still processing these ones. And that's the last of them there. So they'll either go in this bin or in this box, and this box is intended to go to the flea market. We have a box there that we've already done, and that one's done. That one there was from this morning, and that's from this morning. That's from the estate sale. This is from a different transaction. The suitcase is empty there, and then the other two are in the back. There's the receivers that I was talking about. I moved them up there, so we're gonna get those in the house tonight. These are going to eBay. There's about 50 bucks, 60 bucks sitting there. I might lot some of them up. There's a couple that I'm going to do individually. Like this one, Satan's Playground. It's pretty cool. Young Stalin, The Queen of the South, Brooklyn, New York, The Ice Master, Cutting Up in the Kitchen, The Pursuit of a Proper Sinner. Then you've got Shame. Then you got No More Mr. Nice Guy, and the rookie of when Michael Jordan was in the minor leagues. So this one's signed, and that one's signed. And I think there's another one in here signed. I'm not too sure, but I could be wrong. But I thought those would be kind of cool for eBay, since that they weren't very good at Amazon possibilities. So I've got all the paperbacks. Paperbacks usually don't do as well as the old hardcovers, so we'll see how these will more than likely go to the flea market, and these will either go to the flea market, maybe one or two will go to eBay, and I'm hoping the rest will go to Amazon. One of the major authors that I had in here was James Peterson, the Albert Einstein. There's a nice little train book. So there's an old cookbook right there, 1961, New York Times. There's the small portion of paperbacks that made it. So not too bad, not too bad. 13 cents a book. I don't know the total yet, but I'll follow that up with another video. But I'm looking probably like, I know now that we did quality control, I'm gonna say 13 cents a book, $20 investment. I'm gonna say 400. I'm gonna say 400, but we'll see what it is. I'm gonna list these tonight. These will be pretty quick. It's just typing in the SKU takes time, and making sure you have a fully charged phone. Right now I'm operating on a low battery, so we're doing what we can. So anyway, thank you guys for coming in and following me with this little series that we did today. I appreciate it, and keep you posted on what's going to happen with this little lot that we got today. Peace. I gotta go.